Welcome to our channel, where we help people to take control of their financial future. In this video, we talk about habits that will help your financial well-being. In today's fast-paced world, our financial habits are crucial in shaping our overall well-being. Whether we realize it or not, the way we manage our money can have a significant impact on our financial stability and future success. This is why it is essential to take a closer look at our money habits and understand how they can either propel us towards financial freedom or keep us trapped in a cycle of poverty. Poor money habits can wreak havoc on our financial stability, leading to a constant struggle to make ends meet, mounting debt, and limited growth opportunities. From overspending and living beyond our means to neglecting savings and investments, these detrimental habits can hinder our ability to build wealth and achieve our financial goals. Breaking free from these harmful money habits is not only possible, but essential for securing a brighter financial future. By making conscious choices to prioritize saving, budgeting wisely, and investing in our financial education, we can take control of our finances and pave the way for long-term prosperity. Join us as we explore the money habits that keep you poor and discover actionable steps to break free from financial constraints. Living beyond your means. Understanding the impact on financial health. Living beyond one's means is a common yet detrimental habit that can severely affect one's financial health. This concept refers to spending more money than one earns, often relying on credit cards, loans, or other forms of debt to maintain an unsustainable lifestyle in the long run. By constantly overspending and failing to live within one's financial limits, individuals jeopardize their savings, accumulate high debt levels, and struggle to achieve financial stability. For example, indulging in frequent shopping sprees, dining at expensive restaurants, or taking lavish vacations without considering the impact on one's budget can quickly lead to financial struggles. The thrill of instant gratification may provide temporary satisfaction, but it often comes at the cost of long-term financial security. To break free from the cycle of living beyond means, it is essential to prioritize financial discipline and adopt healthy money habits. Start by creating a realistic budget that aligns with your income, setting aside a portion of your earnings for savings and emergencies, and avoiding unnecessary expenses that do not contribute to your long-term financial goals. By living within your means and practicing mindful spending, you can take control of your finances and pave the way for a more secure financial future. Impulse buying. Understanding the impact on financial stability. Impulse buying is a common consumer behavior characterized by unplanned and spontaneous purchases without considering the consequences. This habit is often triggered by psychological factors such as emotions, social influences, and marketing tactics that compel individuals to buy on impulse rather than based on actual needs or financial priorities. The allure of instant gratification and the thrill of acquiring new possessions can lead to a cycle of impulsive spending that undermines one's financial stability. Consider a scenario where a shopper enters a store intending to buy a few essential items, but ends up purchasing multiple unnecessary items simply because they were on sale or caught their eye. These impulse purchases may provide temporary satisfaction, but can quickly add up, leading to overspending, mounting credit card debt, and a lack of savings for future needs. To combat the detrimental effects of impulse buying, it is essential to develop strategies to curb impulsive spending and make more mindful purchasing decisions. Start by creating a shopping list and sticking to it, avoiding shopping when feeling emotional or vulnerable, and setting a budget for discretionary expenses. By practicing self-awareness and exercising restraint, you can break free from the cycle of impulse buying and regain control over your finances for a more secure financial future. Neglecting savings. Building a financial safety net. Neglecting savings is a common pitfall that can have serious repercussions on one's financial well-being. Saving money is not just about setting aside funds for a rainy day. It is a crucial step towards building a financial safety net that can protect you in times of emergencies and help you achieve your future financial goals. By failing to prioritize savings and investments, individuals expose themselves to various risks that can jeopardize their financial stability and long-term security. Imagine a scenario where someone consistently spends all their income without saving for unexpected expenses or future milestones such as retirement or home ownership. In the event of a job loss, medical emergency, or other unforeseen circumstances, the lack of savings can leave them vulnerable to financial hardship and force them to rely on high-interest debt or external assistance. To avoid the pitfalls of neglecting savings, it is essential to take proactive steps toward building a solid financial foundation. Start by setting specific savings goals, automating regular contributions to a savings account or retirement fund, and exploring investment opportunities to grow your wealth over time. By cultivating a habit of saving and investing wisely, you can establish a robust financial safety net that provides peace of mind and paves the way for long-term financial security. Debt mismanagement. Understanding the impact on financial well-being. Debt mismanagement is a prevalent issue that can have lasting consequences on one's financial health and overall well-being. From overspending on credit cards to neglecting loan repayments, mishandling debt can lead to a vicious cycle of debt accumulation, high interest payments, and financial stress. By identifying common mistakes in handling debt and adopting effective debt management strategies, individuals can break free from the debt burden and improve their financial situation. One common mistake in debt management is relying on credit cards to finance lifestyle expenses beyond one's means, leading to a cycle of revolving debt and escalating interest charges. Additionally, failing to prioritize debt repayment or ignoring warning signs of financial distress can exacerbate the problem and hinder one's ability to achieve financial stability. To overcome the challenges of debt mismanagement, it is essential to take proactive steps towards effective debt management. Start by creating a realistic budget that allocates funds for debt repayment, exploring debt consolidation options to streamline payments, and negotiating with creditors for more favorable terms. By developing a strategic debt repayment plan and committing to financial discipline, individuals can break free from the cycle of debt accumulation, regain control over their finances, and pave the way for a brighter financial future. In this video, we have explored key money habits that can keep individuals trapped in a cycle of poverty and hinder their financial well-being. From living beyond one's means and impulse buying to neglecting savings and mismanaging debt, these detrimental habits can significantly impact one's financial stability and long-term prosperity. By understanding the consequences of these behaviors and taking proactive steps toward financial empowerment, viewers can break free from financial constraints and pave the way for a brighter financial future. It is crucial to prioritize healthy financial habits such as budgeting wisely, saving consistently, investing prudently, and managing debt responsibly. By cultivating these habits and making mindful financial decisions, anyone can build a solid foundation for long-term prosperity and achieve their financial goals. We encourage you to take action today toward improving your financial health. Let's empower ourselves with knowledge and take control of our financial future. If you know someone that this video could help, please do them a favor and show them this video. Remember, it's never too late to start building a brighter financial tomorrow. Stay tuned for more valuable content to help you on your journey to financial success. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Thank you for watching.